Welcome to AD Estate. We are going to give you a video tour on this 500 square yard property located in South City 1 Gurgaon. It's near to Huda City Center. Okay, so let's have a look at the features of this property before we start the video. Before starting the video, we will give you an overview about this builder property. It is a 500 square yard builder floor and 2 floors are available for sale. It has 4 rooms with separate balconies connected to them. It's located on a wider road with park around and behind the property. There are separate car parkings for each floor. It has been made by one of the best builders of Gurgaon. Now let's start with the property video tour. Absolutely stunning and modern elevation. This building has a very well planned still parking, and as you can see, every floor has its own servo stabilizer and power backup. Now let's start with the tour. This is the entrance of the floor. And you can see the overview. It has 4 rooms, drawing room and a kitchen. This is the lobby area. You can see how well the POP work has been done in this builder floor. The coves are looking stunning as well. Now let's start with the drawing room. So this is the drawing room and it's very huge in size. The flooring here is all Italian. The drawing room has a balcony connected as well. You can see the wider roads from the balcony. Now this is the first room. As you can see, the TV cabinets, the wardrobe. We have everything in this room. The flooring of this room is Italian as well. This room also has a balcony connected with the UPVC doors. The doors of the room are 8 feet tall and are very thick. This is the bathroom of this room. The glass door is separating the toilet area from the shower area. on to our second room. This room has wooden flooring, and this room also has wallpaper on the wall. The balcony is also attached with this room. We also have a TV cabinet here. This is the bathroom of this room. The vanity area looks stunning as well, and it's very spacious on the other side. This balcony is connected to the another room as well. The park is behind the balcony. The greenery of South City 1 is amazing. This is the third room. And it has a walk-in closet as well, connected with a washroom. This is our fourth and final room. This also has a balcony attached with it. The flooring of this room is also wooden. You can see the power backup generator from this side. This is the bathroom. This bathroom is quite spacious. This is the kitchen. So you can see it's a modular kitchen. And all the chimneys, oven, microwave, all are of Faber company. It has soft closing. And it's quite spacious. You can see the sink area. We also have area for the fridge. This is it for the video. We'll be back with the next one soon.